Problem 4. When Chinu was a boy, he could run 15 miles in 3 hours and 30 minutes. As an old man, he can now walk 10 miles in 4 hours. How many minutes longer does it take for him to travel a mile now compared to when he was a boy? Well, for 15, we're doing it in terms of minutes, right? So keep that in mind. 15 miles, right, for him will take him 3 hours and 30 minutes. But for every hour, right, there are 60 minutes. So in other words, if I have 3 hours, then that'll be equal to 180 minutes. 180 minutes plus 30 gives 210 minutes. So he can walk 15 miles in 210 minutes. Now he can do 10 miles in 4 hours, which 4 times 60 is 240 minutes. So what does that mean? How many minutes does it take for him to walk per mile? Well, 210 divided by 15 will give us the minutes per mile, right? Because the units are minutes per mile. So what is 210 divided by 15? Well, divided by 15, I can put a 1 here, 15, right? I have a 60, so I put 4. So this is equal to 14 minutes per mile. And that's for when he was young. And what about when he was old? Well, when he was old, then that's 240 minutes per 10 miles. So in other words, that's equal to 24 minutes per mile. So if we put that here, that's 24 minutes per mile. So in other words, he walks 24 minus 14 minutes slower, which is he walks 10 minutes slower. So therefore, your final answer is B.